Hi, I'm Paige and I'm going to show you how to do a strand and sensitivity test. So to start with the strand test, I've got here my comb, my scissors, a piece of foil and some pre-mixed bleach and peroxide. I'm going to start off by taking a horseshoe section around the top and then I'm going to clip it out of the way. And then I'm going to take quite a small pinch of hair just below the crown. It doesn't have to be too much hair. And then I'm going to grab my comb and give it an ever so slight back comb. This just means that I don't take too much of the length off. And then I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm just going to cut down the hair slowly, and then I've got my little strand, and then I'm going to pop a little bit of sellotape or masking tape just at the end, just so the hair doesn't fly away. And then with the pre-mixed bleach and peroxide mixture, which only needs to be a really small amount mixed up, I'm just going to apply this. Once you've applied your bleaching mixture, you're going to want to leave it on for the amount of time instructed by your box kit. And then from there onwards, you can have a little look and see what colour the hair looks like and also check the condition. And a little trick that we normally like to do to check the condition is to give the hair a little bit of a stretch, just like a really gentle pull. If it's really stretchy and gummy, then you're probably not going to want to bleach, but if the hair feels nice and strong, then you're good to go. Next we're going to do a sensitivity test. These are really important and should be done every time you colour your hair, whether you've used a product before or not. It's just going to test for any allergies that you may have developed. So I'm going to mix a pea of this and a pea of this into a little bowl, which I've already done, and then I'm going to place a little bit on my arm just here. So once you've applied the colour, you can leave it on for the instructed amount of time on your box kit, and you can give it a little wipe off, and then you just want to keep an eye on it for the next 2 days to check that you don't develop an allergy or anything like that. If you do, then you may not want to use the toner, but if there's no allergy, then you're good to go. And if you have any questions about strand test, sensitivity test, or anything else, you can get in touch and we'll be happy to help.